Rohini, what are you doing in your science exhibition? Can you please speak a little louder, please?
The title of my science project is rolling friction.
Rolling friction. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing with your rolling friction?
I brought 2 bugs. I put it at the edge of the table, and I give it a little push, and I measured how far it went, and this one went only 3 inches. Next, I put the book on 4 round pencils, and then I put it right there, gave it the same push, and then I measured how far it went, and this one went 8 inches, and I saw that the distance traveled with pencils went more than distance traveled without pencils, because rolling friction, because sliding friction is less than rolling friction.
Sliding friction is less than rolling friction. So what all have you put on your in your display?
The time in my display, in this whole thing.
What have you put up on your? Show me each by one. What have you put up?
This is the title.
Okay.
This is the question I'm asking. This is the hypothesis. This is the hypothesis.
Can you read it out? Can you read it out?
This is the question is easier. This is the question, and it says, is it easier to move a book on round pencils than slide it?
Okay.
This is the hypothesis, and it says, I think it is easier to move a book on round pencils than slide it.
Okay. What's the procedure?
This is the procedure.
Okay.
And it says, materials that is needed is 6 heavy books, 4 round pencils, a table, and a ruler. Purses. Put the heavy book on the table, give it a little push, measure how far it goes. Place the book on 4 round pencils, give it a little push again, measure how far it goes again, repeat with the other books. The book should go farther when placed on 4 round pencils.
Okay. So now show me again what you did with, what are your results?
This is the results, and it says that the books traveled more distance when placed on round pencils. It was easier to push the book on 4 round pencils.
Okay, so what is the conclusion?
This is the conclusion, and it says when the book was placed on pencils, it has rolling friction. If we don't have the pencils, then the book has sliding friction. As sliding friction is more than rolling friction, so it takes more effort to slide a book than roll it.
Very good. And show me the demonstration once again.
You want to try it?
Yeah, we want to see it.
With my thumb, I give it a little push I give it a little push, and with centimeters, I measured how far it goes, and then when we went 4.5 centimeters, then I put these books on these 4 round pens.
Okay.
And I put it back there, and I give it the same little push.
Okay.
And I measured how far it went, and this one goes 8.5 inches, and then I saw that distance traveled with pencils goes more than distance traveled without pencils.
Okay. This is the distance traveled without pencil, and this is the distance traveled with pencils.
Nadia, Priyanka will show her experiment.
That's Yuri? No.
Oh.
This is my cousin. See my cousin over there. And my mom. No, my father. Whoa! Right here. She's right here. Right.
Rohini, who helped you in this particular science project?
Dad, Mom, and you.
Huh?
Dad,
And
Mom.
mom? Did your cousin help you in this project?